copy of the other one.
It does look exactly the same. Well guys, sorry I didn't film it all last night on the plane, but we find ourselves here in Minneapolis, and I gotta run a few errands, but then we'll be heading up north to the lake. First fish of the trip. Yeah. Hard to make out, but we got turkeys on the edge of the field. At time at dusk, everything comes out. And here we have, is it a doe, Dad?
Yep, it's a doe.
Well guys, my first night here is coming to an end. It's been a bit busy to get to this point, but the next couple days should be spectacular. Get out and do some fishing. Stewart Lake. First couple minutes, so hopefully that's a good sign. Yeah. We're in our other species that we catch a lot in these areas, the rock bass. For us, unfortunately, we don't like to eat these, so we do not keep them.
I think I'm getting bites.
Yeah, we're using a mixture of waxworms and night crawlers for our bait at this point. We have the state bird, the loon.
Minnesota state bird.
And this pair of loons also has two babies with them right now. It's probably hard to make out, but basically the babies stay on top while the parents fish, try to get their food. Pretty fun to watch them.
Copy of the other one.
It does look exactly the same.
There you go.
Nice. then we popped over to another ridge and found the bass, I guess. Is largemouth or smallmouth? Largemouth. Okay. My mom is learning how to sail. So I've never done any sailing in my life, but I've always watched people with other YouTube channels who do sailing, and I'm always intrigued. And the power of wind is amazing. Well, it's been a beautiful day up here. Fishing has been a little less productive and active than we were hoping for, but they don't call it catching, they call it fishing. All right, it's the next morning and we're trying a new lake. We're on East Battle this morning. So we're right in the middle between where the fish are not quite yet spawning, and so we're just kind of trying to find the depths of where our fish are hiding. All right, so we have the first crappie of the trip, which is what we were trying to go for yesterday to some extent, with no luck. Nice.
Decent.
Yeah, decent size. Not the monsters we're looking for, but we'll find them. That's got some good power, huh, Nora? No, definitely not. Caleb is first on the scorecard today. What do you got? Whoa, Caleb.